For this activity, we require green paper, pink paper, red paper, satin ribbon, kundan, Fevicol, pencil and any two circle shape objects. Scissor. Fold this paper and draw circle. And cut it. For this activity, we need 9 circles. I have already made it. Same way, I cut 9 pink color circles. Take red color paper and one big circle object. Draw circle. And cut it. This circle I am using for pendant. Now I will teach you how to make flower from this pink color paper. Fold this like this. Again fold it. Okay. Now draw petal. And cut it. Like this. So children, our flowers are ready. Now for pendant, again I am going to fold this red color circle in half. I am drawing new design for petal and cut it. Like this. Now take satin ribbon and take center of this ribbon and twist it like this. Take one green color circle. Paste this red color flower over here. Like this. Paste this pink color flower on it. Okay. Now apply glue on green color circle. Paste it like this. And paste pink color flower on it. Like this. This way you have to paste 4 green circle here and here also. So our garland is ready. We decorated it with kundan. So children, do you like this activity? Yes? Okay.